All right, let's solve for n here. Okay, now we have n exponent 32 equals to 2 exponent n. Okay, so how do you solve for n? All right, now the trick here is to adjust this in such a way that we get something raised to, let's say, same thing equals to something raised to that thing. Okay, so what we are going to do is to, bring the n to the left. Okay, so what we are going to do is to multiply both powers by 1 over n. So the idea is get rid of the n on the right. So this, okay, so in going back, this one will cancel this. I believe it. N raised to 32 on n, okay, equals 2. All right, now observe the left hand side. We have 32 here. So let's push the 32 to the right hand side. So we can only do that by multiplying both sides by 1 on, by multiplying both powers by 1 on 32. So this side will be 1 on 32. So this side will be n raised to 1 over n, because this one will cancel this. I will leave it n raised to 1 on n equals to 2 raised to 1 on 32. Okay, now we are going to adjust the right hand side. Okay, so we have something here which is the same as the denominator of the power here. So let's adjust this. So what we are going to do is to support the power here. Now, in case we're given x raised to, let's say, 2x, the same as x raised to x raised to 2. So we are going to support this one by multiplying it by 2 on 2. 2 on 2 is the same as 1. Okay, so I've done nothing to the power. Okay, so we can send the 2 in. So it's the same as 2 to the power 2 all raised to 1 on 32 times 1 on 2. So these 2 can come out here. Okay, so I've done nothing. Okay, so we have 2 squared as 4, and this side will be 1 on 64. Okay, so let's observe this one. We have the base here, then we have the power, the denominator as a base being equal. So we need to also adjust this one so that we get something equal to that. Okay, all right, so let's go again and do same by multiplying the power here by 2 on 2. So I'll go again. So we have 4 raised to times 2 on 2. So I'll go again. So this 2 is the same as, so we can say 4 to the power 2. Then we have 1 on 64 times 1 on 2. Okay, so this 2 is here. So we have n raised to that 4 squared is 16. So this side will be 1 on 128. Still, we have the base here different from this. Okay, so let's go again. So we have n equals that. So 16 times 2 on 2. So let's go again. So this side will be 16 squared. Then we have 1 to 8 times. So we have this. So we have 256, that is 16 squared. So this power will be 1 on. So 1 to 8 times 2 is 256. Okay, so let's observe the left hand side, the right hand side wall. We have n here, we have n here, okay, and we have n same, so we have n, so 256. Okay, so therefore we conclude that n is straight away 256. All right. Okay, so let's confirm it here. If n is 256, so if I put 256 here, then I put 256 here, the answers on both sides will be equal. All right, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this.